Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen using Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my Filmora application. For your information, this is Filmora 14. And I'm going to add this green screen video to the track like this. And if you want to remove green screen from this video, the step is very simple. We just need to go to the AI tools and we're going to activate Chroma Key feature to remove the green screen from this video. I'm going to click on this toggle button to activate the Chroma Key feature. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the green screen has been removed from my video. And if your video is not green, you can choose the other color guys. Wait, sorry, I'm going to click on undo. Okay, you just need to choose like the color you want to remove from your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove green screen from my video using Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.